I'm bringing for you a brief story from this picture today. One day, this lady you're looking at got a new boyfriend. Then, the boy wanted just to have sex and leave her. The boy prepared some money, around $10, to take her to the hotel. On reaching there, they enjoyed food, nice food, drinks. Then, the guy's plan was, immediately after eating the food, he must drill the lady. And the guy said, honey, can you visit me? Can you escort me home today? And the lady said, Ray, I can't go with you to your place because I'm still studying you. The answer the guy gave is just more funny than everything. And I think it is the only funny part of the story. The guy replied to the lady with a question that, did you study the food first before eating? Did you study the food first before eating?